everybody, it's the old man. I talked about creating some videos to show everyone how to create free content. There's several methods of doing this, and you'll notice that I don't involve myself with a lot of edits. If you look at my videos, they're just, I do them and put them up there and that's it. But you can certainly, open the resulting content that you create via these various methods, and then edit them in programs like OpenShot or CapCut, tools like that. But this first method is to use your camera. All right, you press camera, change video, and press record. And now I'm recording myself, hello everybody, with my video camera. So you do all the content that you want to do, and hold on, let's dismiss that. I have a timer on my phone going off. Anyway, so you create your content, blah blah blah, you say all your stuff, and then you press this button down here to stop your video. Okay, boink, there. Now I stop my video. Now it automatically saves what you created it with your video camera in your photo gallery. So you open up your photo gallery, you pop that. Luckily it comes opened with the voice muted. You press these this share button down here. I think that's what it stands for, the share button. Okay, and you press YouTube, which is right there, you see it, and now you can record. Let's record. I'm pressing next to get past all that. So here you go. So it's going to put my video I just created up on YouTube. You can give it a title. If you hit that edit button, by the way, this here, whoops, let's see if I can, there we go. That edit button right there, the only thing you can edit your thumbnail to look like is to use some image from the video that you're uploading. Okay, if you want to have like a real thumbnail, I'll do another video on how you can create a thumbnail, merge that with your video, and then upload that. That way there you can have a thumbnail that you want to have. There's all kinds of thoughts on what words or whatever to put on your thumbnail and how to create a thumbnail and whatnot. And there's all kinds of thoughts on this title. And I always put my videos up unlisted first. Okay, I do it for two reasons. One, if I want to share that link with some friend or somebody, to have them kind of look at it and say, hey, that sucks or whatever, or it's good. And then the other thing is that if you send it up unlisted, you then get to open it up in YouTube Studio and do further edits, like adding the description and tags and all this kind of stuff. I'll do more videos on that later, but what I wanted to show you here was that you can create content just by opening your camera up on your phone, go to video, start recording, record what it is you want to say, and then you can upload it to YouTube, as you see. I'll catch you in the next video. I think what I'm going to do is do one on screen recording.